We just found one of the cheapest brushless four-wheel drive ready-to-run trucks on Amazon. Yeah, brushless. Abby and I are always on the lookout for a really good deal, and it's not very often we come across the truck this size, especially you guys, you've seen these on the channel before. This is that Spirit brand. They're all over Amazon. They sell some really good budget-friendly brushed four-wheel drive things, but now they have a brushless version.
My favorite thing, four-wheel drive ricing.
Ooh.
Ricing?
I do love teriyaki fried rice. As I said, ready to run. They actually have some battery upgrades and a few other upgrades you can get for this, like shocks and things. But we'll have the truck linked in the description box below. What we want to do is just have some fun with this and see if it holds up to bashing. We might try to blast it up the hill, but really I just want to hit the curb, get some ramps, see how much fun it is in a little slow motion.
Ready for some brushless power?
Do it.
Come
Look
on.
how much, oh.
Oh,
Wow.
but here is
Oh,
the
you're
downfall.
stuck. The clearance.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, it's fast. You know what, before we break anything, let's do a little speed run. I already got it trimmed up.
Unofficial speed run up a hill.
I actually got to drive this at our track. Jan came to visit and she had this truck with her and it's super fast around the track. I was impressed. And I'm impressed now. Okay, Abby. I saw this on the walk down. We have to hit slow motion with the acorns. Oh my gosh. This thing is fast. The grass doesn't slow it down at all. Oh my gosh, wow. Did you see that?
Barely.
Wow. Wow.
This thing likes to not be on its feet.
Super fast though. Oh, you're right.
Point proven.
Wow. Well, you know what? Oh, that was actually pretty cool. This thing is not so much an off-road basher because it's going to spend a lot of time upside down, but on the track, it was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun around the track. Maybe you guys will see this on our track again on the channel sometime. Oh my gosh.
You keep doing that stuff when I'm zoomed in.
It's really cool that it is a brushless setup. Batteries for this are common because it's a Dean's battery at a 1000 milliamp, and we're not even seeing any signs of a low battery yet. Sounds really good, the fact that it's brushless. It's nice and efficient, super powerful. And we just don't see that very often on these budget-friendly trucks. If you're interested in a cheap brushless option, we definitely give this at least one solid thumbs up because for the price, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, as far as an off-road basher goes, you guys have seen it. Yeah, it's kind of struggling. Okay, that's to make up for those acorns you hit me with. It does like to go upside down a lot, and then you're gonna chase it down and pick it back up. Oh no!
I'm surprised.
This is fun. It is a blast.
Do you think it can make it up the hill?
You know what? Before we end the video, let's go try. What do you think?
He passed me the controller. I think he thinks if anybody can get it up the hill, I can.
That's what I think. Okay, we're here. Let's do this.
If it can stay upright, it will do it.
Yeah. Oh, you just did a backflip by hitting grass. That was kind of crazy.
I don't know if it can make it through the grass. How many times am I going to hit your foot today?
That's 4 times. Must have done something to make her mad. Yeah, if you can keep the speed up. Wow. So what happened there, it was upside down, but the wheels were still hitting and it shot down the hill upside down super fast. Gonna get a running start. Can it make it? Can it make it? Oh, man.
Turned around,
yeah.
Like, nope. Let's try half throttle.
Half throttle, Abby says. Half throttle. And you know what?
I had a feeling this would work.
Wow.
Oh no, I got hung up. Oh,
that's okay, that's okay.
So close.
You got it, you got it. You made it.
So yeah, not full throttle.
Okay, sometimes that strategy works, but there, you know, I think that's kind of the gist of this vehicle.
And I haven't seen it pop a wheelie on its own.
No, with the assistance of a curb or something it does, but that's about it. Guys, if this thing floats your boat, we'll have a link in the description box below. It is definitely cooler than a lot of the brushed bashers that we've seen on the channel, but it's still not the perfect budget truck. For that, we have more videos. You guys should absolutely subscribe to find the perfect RC for you. Wow, that could hurt. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Wait for it! Oh!